Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw a doctor. Special shout out to all you healthcare workers out there. We appreciate your work so much. Well, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's get down to the drawing. Let's go see what
So for the first step in making our doctor, we're going to begin by making two curved lines for the hairline up top. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and connect these two curved lines that we just made with one big U-like shape underneath. Now underneath that big U-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make a stethoscope along with a collar. Now under the stethoscope that we just made, we're going to begin to make the torso as well as arms and hands of our doctor. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now for this next step, let's go ahead underneath the torso and let's begin to make one small rectangular-like shape. Under the small rectangular shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make the left leg of our doctor. Once we finish making this left leg, awesome. Now let's begin to make the second leg over on the right hand side. You and I will make each leg at the bottom similar to a triangle. The reason for this is because underneath those triangle-like shapes, we're going to add in small shoes like we're doing right now. Whoa, this is coming along very well. I really like how this looks. Now we're going to move up by the stethoscope and we're going to add a little bit of detail. Great, now let's go under the stethoscope and let's begin to make 3 small circles. Still on the jacket, we're going to move a little bit over to the right and we're going to make a small square. Fantastic, now on each side of the head, we're going to make one C-like shape. This will be for the ears. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the hair of our doctor. Now we're going to move into the face. We're going to make 2 small circles for the eyes. Now inside of each circle that we just made, we're going to begin to make the pupils of our doctor. Directly above the eye, I'm going to make 3 small lines that will be for the eyelashes. Above those eyelashes, I'm going to make 1 small curved line that will be for the eyebrow. Awesome, that turned out great. Now let's do the same thing on the right hand side. In the middle of our doctor's face, we're going to make 1 backward C-like shape. This will be for the nose. Awesome. Now directly below that nose, we're going to begin to make 1 big open mouth. Now for the last step making our doctor, we're going to add a little bit of detail inside of each ear. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.